Hi guys, good evening or good afternoon, whatever you're looking at this, or good morning perhaps if you start early in the day like I usually do. Hope things are going well for you. I just completed, really this morning I completed the grades on your week 5 work. I'm seeing week 6 will be in later on. Well, since you're seeing this now, I'm hoping that it's all in, and I'm working on this Saturday afternoon. Um, but we're getting down to the wire, so I hope you're all ready to do your final presentations during this week. All your activities this week are related to the final presentations. Your discussion posts, which, oh, by the way, need to be due on Thursday, your initial posts due. And I will not delay in getting your posts reviewed this time. I had some computer trouble this week. And just be honest about what your presentation is going to be about, and let the other class members know any issues you have or what you're excited about. That'll be really helpful. Your final project then will also be due next Sunday night, and that my only issue with them so far has been with a few of them. You're doing more arithmetic than I think a class of 5th graders might like. You might want to lighten up on the math a little bit. I know I push that around here because I like it, but when you're dealing with 5th graders and trying to communicate with them, which is what you're tasked to simulate, I suppose, in this, I think it would be a good idea to initiate all discussions with concepts and try to relate those to the class level you're on. As always, if you have any questions or anything going on you want to talk about, contact me anytime you need to. I'll be happy to take your call. Text first, I always say that. But anyway, have a good week, and I will hopefully talk with you in the discussion boards quite soon. And if there's any questions, I'll be happy to talk with you then as well. Take care.